Yung nilagnat ka pero hindi ka pa rin makapagpahinga because nasa isip mo pa rin yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Eventually, nung gumaling ka, hindi mo naman ginawa. Hi, ako si Jess and this is day 22 of In Pursuit of Becoming Better. Still now, hindi ko pa rin madisiplina ang sarili ko. In the past 2 weeks, there are good things and bad things that happened to me. The good thing is nakabili na ako ng microphone and nakapag-utang na rin ng camera. And the bad thing is nilagnat ako and hindi pa pumapasok yung perang ipambabayad ko. And because of too much overthinking, I did procrastinate and eat a lot, which is not good for me. Maybe I self-sabotage myself again. Pero yun nga, meron siyang relief, temporary lang, pero hindi nga maganda para sa akin. What I mean is, it's not about the bad stuff or the good thing. Kasi at the end of the day, it's me creating it. Or wala akong control sa sarili ko. Kasi nagiging sino ba ako if these certain things happen to me? Do I pray when I am happy? Or nagpe-pray lang ako kapag malungkot ako. And it's hard kasi I always keep telling myself to do the certain things. The more I fail, the more I learn. Pero the more na mas nagiging mahirap sa akin na disiplina ang sarili ko. Hindi yung gumagawa lang ako ng mga bagay-bagay depende sa emosyon ko. In that case, kailangan ko talagang i-acknowledge ang sarili ko to conquer myself. That's all. See you on our next video.